The last thing we're going to look at is how do you send a payment request for a finalized invoice? Well, we're going to go ahead and create this invoice. That'll help us start to have something to work with. So once we've created an invoice, this section is blank. We no longer have a draft invoice, and we do have a finalized invoice. If you're connected to QuickBooks, this is your QuickBooks invoice. If I would like to send a request for payment, I'm going to be able to just email this invoice. You can click the email button. The email interface will pop up. I can choose which client I want this sent to. I can also, the invoice is going to be attached here. And that's helpful for people who have like a bill.com or something, so it goes directly into their bills. And it's going to have that make payment button for your client. So requesting that payment against a finalized invoice is as easy as clicking the email button. But you can also receive a payment in person against a finalized invoice. And you can do that by clicking on this credit card symbol. This will bring up the interface that you're used to from the new payment button here. So this is when you're receiving against a finalized invoice. You're going to have the option to take a card payment, possibly a bank or ACH payment, or a terminal payment if you're set up that way. And just a sneak peek of this new feature, if you have the text blaster, you're also able to request a payment via text. And so that will pop up and have the text, and you can send it to your collaborators that you have a phone number for, so that they have the link there in their text and are able to click on that and make a payment.